What's up there, guys? It's Ian Young from iansjourneys.com. I'm here in Dandong, China, right by the North Korean border, where we are checking out a little street market right now. We're going to sample a bit of street food.
都一样的，就除了换一个风格。刚才一直吃不着这个，我得赶紧找。在哪个国家？还没有，我们在深圳了，在深圳了。对呀。在别人这没有。没有啊，回来。
Okay, so this is Jidon Goltza. It's like an egg pancake. It's got some lettuce in it, some cilantro, green onions, some potatoes. Of course, you know, the pancake and the egg, which is kind of spread out inside it. They also put like several different kinds of spices inside this. It's really fluffy. It's really fluffy, and the egg is on the outside here. The vegetables are nice and crunchy, and you can see the lachao there. It gives it that nice spicy kick, and the shredded potatoes right here are just delicious and perfectly cooked.